What you're looking at right now was not designed, coded, or wired together by me. I didn't choose colors. I didn't design the layout, and I didn't write code at all. I typed one sentence into Claude, and this entire app appeared. Let me show you exactly what happened. The idea is intentionally simple. I want to create a daily reflection app that helps people turn stressful thoughts into calm, actionable steps. That's it. I don't need to provide any guidance about the app's features, the user interface, or its design. I just need to describe the idea in plain English. And I give it to Claude. Now something interesting happens. Claude doesn't ask me questions. It doesn't wait for clarification. It just starts building. On the left, you can see my single sentence. On the right, Claude is already generating the app. Real components, real logic, real structure. But here's the important part. Claude doesn't just provide an outline of what could be built, it actually builds a real app. At this point, it feels less like I'm talking to an AI and more like I'm watching a product manager and an engineer collaborate inside the same system. Now you can see the app fully developed on the right-hand side. And on the left-hand side, Claude describes what key features that app has and how the app works. Let's look at what Claude built and see if it works. As an example, let's say I am worried about my finances, and then click Transform My Thought. And instantly, the app responds. This part matters. Claude doesn't just spit out random advice. It reframes the thought in a human, empathetic way. No judgment or generic motivational nonsense. Then it moves into specific next steps. It doesn't just say, stay positive or work harder. It provides a list of small, achievable actions, such as write down your income and expenses, cancel one unnecessary subscription, research one extra income option. This is the difference. Claude isn't just calming the user, it's guiding behavior. Now, if I wanted to make any edits to the app, I can just use plain English to make any changes. For example, let's simply type, improve the user experience. Make the app more calming, that's it. And Claude responds by redesigning the app. You can literally see the changes. Softer color gradients, blue, purple, pink tones, lighter typography, frosted glass cards, slower animations, breathing indicators, more spacing, gentler pacing. This is not theoretical. This is an iteration of user experience through just plain English instead of coding. The experience now feels different, calmer, slower, more human. Let's quickly try one more example. Let's say that I am stressed about not being able to find a job and click Transform My Thought. Once again, the app reframes the thought and provides a gentler perspective. In the coding world, creating an app with just one sentence is a major shift most people still haven't internalized. You're not prompting for answers anymore. You're prompting for products. You don't need design skills, front-end skills, or user experience skills. You need clarity of intent, and Claude handles the rest. This app didn't come from code. It came from a thought. And the people who learn to think like this early will be building faster than everyone else. If this surprised you, subscribe. Because next time, I'm pushing this until it breaks. See you there.